Hey guys, welcome to my DailyDAV. It's Andrew here. Yesterday I started going through quite a long document which has all the regulations across the EU countries to do with ride sharing, taxis, hire cars with drivers. I'll still be going through that for quite a few hours today. It's quite big. And then I've also located a very good document to do with the future of mobility in California. It's a white paper and I intend to review that in quite a lot of detail if I get to it later today and continuing tomorrow and make some notes around that. Thank you.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. So Friday last week I was at Token Fest in San Francisco, made a bunch of good contacts, met a bunch of awesome people, and continued to get out the good word about DAV and our brand. Today, a lot of focus around the KYC. I had a good conversation with our legal team to make sure that all of our T's are crossed and our I's are dotted, and that sort of flowed across all the websites, just making sure the content and copy is good, the structure is good for the KYC as we now get closer and closer to actually having it go live. So very exciting things. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hey guys, so yesterday I finished working on the DAV Alliance page and passed it to our web developer. So we started working on that today and hopefully it will be done in the next few days. We also uploaded a new section to the website today called People Are Talking. It shows top articles about DAV from around the web. I'm also planning to join a meeting today with John and Alick regarding the non-autonomous ride-hailing service. So the research that we've had in the past few weeks, we have several companies and organizations we're planning to approach and add them on our DAV Alliance and start collaborating with them and in between. This is it for today, guys. Thanks.
Hi everybody. Today I started integrating our DAV.js SDK with the Web3 library and it's going great. Bye!
Hey there, Davers! So, yesterday I worked with Shahar and Anatoly on the DAV SDK and how it integrates with the blockchain. We also made some progress on the mission contracts and the identity contracts. And I worked on the whitelisting and KYC process. I continued both of those things today, making more progress on the mission flow as well as the KYC and whitelisting. Specifically today I am focused on the terms and conditions, which is glamorous fun work, but at least I get to work with our general counsel who is really awesome, so that's a plus. See you tomorrow.
Hey folks, what's up? So today was quite a day. I started the day with making the DailyDAV and then we had a team meeting. After that I started going over the DAV Alliance video scripts towards making a storyboard, and I also did some follow-up about that with Joe and John. After that I sat with Noam and we went over the blockchain and Bitcoin conference video from Bangkok. We made some corrections towards the final version, so you'll be able to see that soon. And later that evening, Alick caught some scammers on Telegram trying to sell tokens as DAV. So he made contact with them as an investor and he called them and started asking them some very tricky questions, and we got that all on camera. So big props to Alick, and you'll be able to see that soon. So stay tuned. That's it for today. Bye guys.
Hello! So Saturday I got to go up to the city of Squamish, just north here of Vancouver, by about an hour with Sherry and Donald from Move Innovations, and they were working on the Smart City Challenge, so I tagged along to advise them. Today I pretty much spent all my day working on the DAV Alliance, or re-strategizing with Alick and with Lior, and tonight I'm going to try to finish off this narrative document that I've been working on for some time now. Finally got past some writer's block. I think I can finish it, so I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hey Davers, Alick here. My day is going excellent. We had a very, very good team meeting. Me, Lior, and John talked about our upcoming approach to different car companies and taxi companies that we're going to approach. That would be super interesting. Other than that, we received 2 more MOUs today. Woo! So our DAV Alliance efforts are paying off. And me and John are getting ready for a very, very important call on Thursday with one of the biggest autonomous vehicle companies in the world. So stay tuned. Bye.
Hi guys, so today was about meetings mostly. We had a team meeting, which was great. And also we had a discussion regarding the way we are going to integrate with Ethereum. It's going to be released in the next few weeks. Keep tuned. Also, we're going to release a new version of the mission control right now, or like in an hour or so. It's going to hopefully get this bug that was running taking all the memory from the server, and hopefully it's not going to happen again. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, new day start and I start my lovely work. Today I'll finish fix space day of Alliance. Also I'll redesign mission app, color champs, fonts, etc. And after then I'll continue make ADS banners. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.